What's up guys, this is Alex again. Today I'm going to unbox my graphic card Palit GTX 1070 Dual Fan Edition with 8GB DDR5. Okay, let's do it. Again, I need my knife. Okay, this is the front, the back, ooh, the graphic cards. What else inside? Okay, come with a driver CD and an installation guide. Let's open up. Ooh, nice black one. Dual fan with plastic strap, 8-pin connector. This one no fancy backplate. Okay, come with DVI, 3 display port and 1 HDMI port. Okay, I will install it the next video for my PC build. So stay tuned. Peace out.